Hey, this is Jack Hudson Handyman, back again. I just wanted to show you guys what our fence is looking like. We almost got it painted. Just kind of took a wire brush and scraped all the loose stuff off, and got down as close as we could to the ground without getting a roller and a bunch of leaves and dirt and stuff. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. Got our posts trimmed off, our new post trimmed off that we put in. Looks pretty good for a old junky fence that was falling down. We added replaced 2 of the posts and like 5 of the planks, but everything else was already here. And but yeah, we almost got it painted. Just want to show you guys what the end result of that would look like, or the outcome, whatever. But yeah, we're here finishing up some other stuff too. I think Dave's got all the tear out done in here. Getting ready to add a panel to this shower. Gonna clean up this shower. Gonna try to clean this shower diverter up. If it don't clean up good enough, we're gonna change it out. But yeah, get ready to fix all this. Gonna change that diverter out. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff getting ready to happen. And once again, I forgot my piece for my GoPro, so I could strap it to my chest. That way I could work and film at the same time. But once again, I forgot it. And it's windy and chilly today. It was beautiful yesterday, but the weather is not so pretty today. But yeah, I'm going to get off here and try to get this done before it starts raining. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how the fence come out. All right, see you.